Hi everyone, I'm Harsha. In this video, I'll explain the AI agent called AI Maze Level Designer that I've built. This agent is a text-to-maze generator that transforms the natural language into playable game levels using a multi-agent system built with LangGraph. Uh, so to kick off the LangGraph flow, I've given a simple prompt: design, test and render a spooky maze level with one enemy and one trap. On the screen you can see the architecture that the LangGraph multi-agent will follow. Everything will be orchestrated by the supervisor, and then there are multiple agents that carry out their own specific tasks. For example, we have the design intent agent that extracts key elements like size, theme, enemies and traps. And we have the layout agent that constructs a maze grid using NumPy. And we have the test agent that checks if the maze is solvable using breadth first search. And finally, we have the render image agent that uses Matplotlib to generate a visual maze that is being extracted from the grid generated by the AI agent. So on the screen, you can see that the how behind the screen it works. So supervisor is the one that orchestrates and the flow back and forth. Everything is being channeled by the supervisor. As you can see, the tool messages, it is first has been transferred to the design intent agent, then back to the supervisor, then it collects the information from that agent, and from that agent uh, it is moved to the test agent. From there again it has gone back to the supervisor. So that's how it works in the background. So once everything is done, it is finally transferred back to the supervisor with the rendered image. As you can see, the last AI image is I have designed, tested and rendered a spooky maze level. It is available at the temporary level.png. So in order to make it easy, I've already generated, showcasing the image that is present at the temporary level. So this is what the AI agent has rendered. As you can see, there is start and there is goal, and this is the path, and along with it has created one enemy and one trap that we had given in the input prompt. So the project brings together the AI and game development in a unique way. From natural language to a rendered validated maze, the entire pipeline runs seamlessly end to end. It's fully functional and showcases how autonomous agents can collaborate to generate game content on demand. And also, the coming to the business viability and future vision, the developers can easily make use of this AI agent and make their life hassle free. It can be used for level prototyping, and also in the future it can be used with Unity or Unreal Engine integrations for real-time game content generation. Thank you.